our Father in heaven. Amen. Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
Are there any absences for today?
Non teacher.
Okay, let's proceed. Let's follow these rules for our class. Fun and respectful. Our classroom rules is raise your right hand to speak or answer the question, or if you're going to excuse to use a comfort room. Second, treat everyone with respect. And the third one, be kind and behave. The fourth one is cooperate with the class. And the last one is listen and enjoy. Do you understand our classroom rules, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now let's play in the class. It's called Do It With Me. If Sunny, you got it, clap. And if say rainy, you'll stand up. And if I say cloudy, you'll stamp your feet. Did you get it, class? Did you
Yes,
understand?
teacher. Yes,
Okay.
teacher.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes, teacher. Are
Okay.
we?
Okay, go. Ready. Stand up. Okay, very
Yay.
good. How about the cloudy? Stomp, stomp your feet, stomp, stomp. Okay, very good. Again, Sunny again. Sunny, Sunny, clap. Very good. And how about cloudy? Stomp your feet again. Stomp, stomp, stomp. And rainy again. Stand up. Okay. Did you enjoy class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. What was our lesson yesterday? Do you remember?
Yes, teacher. Our lesson yesterday, it's all about the weather.
Very good. Now, let's go to our next activity. Are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, let's do the activity called Magic Box Mystery. I have a magic box here with different weather-related things inside. Can you guess which ones are part of the weather and which ones are not?
Yes, teacher.
Who's excited? Raise your hand.
Yay.
Okay, magic box first. Umbrella. This is a weather or not?
Not teacher.
Okay, very good. How about the rain? It's this a weather or not?
Weather teacher.
Very good. The next one is sunflower. This is a weather or not?
Not teacher.
Very good. How about the thermometer? This is a weather or not?
Not teacher.
Absolutely very good. And how about this rainbow? A weather or not?
Weather teacher.
Very good. And clap your hands for that activity. You are doing so well. Yay! Very good.
Yay!
So now, class, I'll read our objectives. And the end of the lesson, the pupils are expected to identify and describe different types of weather. Demonstrate ways to prepare for different weather conditions. And last, develop an appreciation for checking the weather forecast to prepare for the stay safe during various weather conditions. So, our topic is the weather. So, what is the weather? Weather is like the mood of the sky. It can be happy and sunny, sunny and rainy, or even wild and stormy. It affects everything we do from what we wear to how we travel and even our mood. Understanding weather help us to prepare and make the most of our day. Example of the weather. It's sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy. That is the example of our weather and how weather affects our daily life in many ways. So, here's the example. Plants, weather can ruin or make outdoor plans. So, number two, clothes. We dress according to the weather. Plus, if sunny, we use a jacket. Yes or no?
No, teacher.
Yes, because it's too hot. That's why we use a cotton or a satin one. And the travel. Weather can delay flights, buses, or cause traffic. It's because the rainy days or a heavy rainy. And mood. Weather can affect our emotion. We're so project goes our plan is go to play outside, but due to the heavy rain, we can't play outside, or we can't go to a park. So activity. So yes, like what I told, it's also affect our activities, whether dictates outdoor and indoor activities. It's cause it depends or rainy, heavy rainy, or it's too sunny. So that is affects our daily lives for the weather. So how to prepare? You can help your parents to prepare a weather. So check forecast regularly, or let's do you can watch a so plan ahead for extreme weather. Dress accordingly. Stay safe during bad weather and be flexible with your plans. So
Yes.
now teacher is divide you into groups. Choose only pictures of different weather, sunny, rainy, windy, and cloudy. Discuss and demonstrate what you will do to prepare. Okay, your time starts now. Are you done, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Each groups have done well. So now let's proceed to our next activity. So get one sheet of paper. Identify whether the statement is true or false. Right? True or false? Right is true if it's true, and right if it is false. Okay? The sun comes out during a rainy day. This is true or false?
We
The sun comes out during rainy day. It's false. Very
false.
good. We wear jackets when it's hot outside. This is true or false?
True.
Very good. It's false because it's hot outside. We don't wear jacket. In the plants need water from the rain to grow. True or false? Yes, very
True.
good. True. We use umbrellas on sunny days.
Yes.
Yes, true. Because here in the
True.
Philippines, we use umbrellas on sunny days. Clouds can bring a rain. True or false?
True.
Very good. Okay, identify the statement is true or false, right? True if true and right if it's false. Right T if true and if it's false. It's always windy at night. True or false? It's always windy at night.
True.
Very good. We wear sunglasses to protect our eyes on sunny days. True or false?
True.
Very good. Rain makes the ground drier. True or false?
False.
Very good. Thunder and lightning can happen during a storm. True or false?
True,
this is true or false.
False, teacher.
Very good. Clap your hands for that. Very good. You're doing a good job, class. And for your assignment, write a short paragraph about today's weather and answer this following question. So you can write down in your assignment notebook. Number one, what is the weather like today? Number two, what do you wear when the weather is like this? And number three, how do you feel about the weather today? Did you get it, class? Okay, very good. And that is your assignment. Okay, that is the different types of weather. Thank you for today. See you tomorrow again. Bye bye,
Bye,
class.
teacher.